Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to create a registration page with the style CSS. Okay, in the last video also we created a registration page which was very simple one, right, without any CSS. Okay, so here we are going to see how you can create a CSS, how you can create a registration page which looks like the one that you are using for in your computer to register to different applications, right? A similar page only we are going to create today. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do here is, first let's complete our HTML part. Okay, so now I'm going to give like welcome to coding duty. Okay, so whichever is your company or whichever is your app, you can give that name. Okay, in the next one I'm going to give a div class. Let's take it to be like div class is equals to section 1 bar div. Okay, the next is like we need to create a form in such a way that it will have the first name, last name. Okay, so I'll give label for is equals to L name. You can directly give bar label. What you can do is you can directly copy it and keep, so that each time you can directly paste it. Okay, so here this is the first name and the last name. Okay, and here you can give like first name, next one is the last name, and here what you're going to do, you need to give an input type which is equal to the text. Okay, so after this you need to just give double BR so that it will look good. Okay, only for that we are using, okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, so each time you need to do this. So again the next one what we are going to do is the first name, last name, the next one is the telephone number. So here you can just give like tele, and let's take it to be like the telephone number, which is set to be like, here the type is equals to, let's take it to be tel, right? Okay, so that is your telephone number or your number that you have to save. The next one is the gender. Let's give the label for is equals to gender. Let's give here gender bar label. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to create a checkbox for the male and female. So the first one is, again you have to create another label for male. Okay, now let's give bar male. Here you can directly use something like this just to denote that you are using, because gender male is not a single one. Okay, now let's give it to be a checkbox. Okay, okay, here also you can give like male. Okay, so I think this is more good way of doing it. Okay, the next one, let's again give input type is equals to checkbox, and let's give it for female. Okay, so this is how you create it for the gender. The next one, what we are going to do is we are going to give our birth year, which is date of birth. Let's give like a label for date of birth. Here you have to give BR, then only it will be coming onto the next line. Okay. Now let's give an input. Type is equals to, let's check here which one you have to use. You have to use the birth, which means the date, right? Okay, you got it. And now the next one is for the password, which is the last one. Okay, let's create two labels. One is for the password. Okay, here itself I'll be giving the input type is equals to password. We have to give here password, and I forgot to close it, right? You can directly copy it and paste it because this is for retyping the password. Okay, let's give here retype password. Here you have to use the double BR. Don't forget about it, then only it will be onto the next line. Okay, so this is how you have created. Now what you have to do is you have to give a heading like registration page here. Let's give like H2, and now let's give sign up. Okay, so now you have to do this CSS to make it look more beautiful. Okay, so now I'll start with the CSS. Let's give text align center, and let's change the background color. Whichever is the color you want, you can directly use it. I'll be using this light blue. Okay, now I'll be giving my text color of the headings to be white. Got it? So now let's just refresh and see, and you can see that okay, we just gave it for H1, right? Which means you have to just give it for H2, and by default you gave it for H1. Okay, you got it, right? The next thing what I'm going to do is, here you have got a div, right, which is known as the section 1. So we are going to set it for that. Let's give dot section 1, and what you can do is like, first let's give a padding which is like 25 px. The next is the margin, which is like 20 px. Now you have to give a box shadow which is like 5 px, 5 px, 10 px, and now this is all about the height and the width, and all. Now let's give hash 6/8. Okay, so now let's see how this looks like. Okay, you have got it. So now let's give a background color which is like white smoke. I think pure white itself looks good. Okay, let's see, but your sign up is not to be seen. We'll just give it to the H3 tag because both of them are H2. That is why this is happening. Okay, H3 also you can align. Text align center will give. Oh, this is okay, right? Let's increase the font size to like 40 px. Just refresh and see. Okay, 40 is too much. let's give like 25 px. Okay, this is good. So now again you have to set the width. Okay, let's set it like the width to be 80% and the margin to be auto, which is to make it look onto the center. Okay, yeah, this is onto the center right now. Now let's give input. Let's give it like margin 10 px and the width to be 100%. Okay, so now let's refresh it and see. Okay, this looks good, but what the thing is that your checkbox doesn't look good. Okay, so what you can do is, in order to set it, let's go back here, and in every input you have to give a class which is set to be form1. You can directly copy and paste it below. Okay, here we don't need. Okay, so now what you can do is, here you can directly give form1 and then let's give the width to be 100%. Okay, so now you can see that it looks good, right? Now the last thing that we are going to do is, we need to create a button. Okay, a submit button. Let's create it. Now let's give the type is equals to submit and let's give here submit. Okay, here I am going to give a class which is set to be like, let's give it to be btn. Okay, btn means button short form. Okay, let's give wbr so that it's onto the next line. Now let's set the style for it. Okay, I'll be giving like dot btn. Let's give the background color which is light blue itself. The next is the width which is like 100%. Next the color which is white. The border one px solid light blue. Okay, the next is the font weight which is to be bold. So all these things, if you want to see, you can just directly refresh it and save it. Now let's give a padding 10 px. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so now this is our registration page. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. Okay, so see you guys in the next video with the login page. Bye bye.